ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni ngicela ukukhuluma nawe as you are starting your morning. Funa ukuthi your current situation is not your final destination. Yenzeka abantu bedlule eimeni, bedlule osizini, bedlule einyembezini beze beyitshela ukuthi badalelwa ukukhala, beze beyitshela ukuthi badalelwa ukudlula osizini njalo empilweni yabo, beze beyitshela ukuthi badalelwa ukuthi bengaphili kahle emhlabeni. But I'm here this morning to inform you what you are currently going through is not the final destination. Akusikhona la wadalelwa ukuthi uyophetha khona. Cela ukukhumbuza namhlanje ukuthi God has something better for your life. uNkulunkulu unezinto ezingcona kakuhlelele zona. Ungalingi uyitshela ukuthi le pain oyibona phambi kwakho isona siphetho sakho. Ungalingi uyitshela ukuthi lolu sizo obhekene nalo yona into wadalelwa yona. You were created for something far greater than your pain. You were created for something far greater than your disappointments. uNkulunkulu ukwakhele a higher purpose. uNkulunkulu kudalela into engcono ukuba uzoyenza emhlabeni. Ungalingi uconclude ngezinto odlula kuzona manje. Ungalingi uconclude ngeseason of pain that you are currently going through. There is something more, there is something better that God has in store for you. uNkulunkulu kunetafula akalidekayo akakulungiselele lona afuna uhlale kulona. Yes, you might go through difficulties at the moment, but you are not destined for difficulties. You were not born to be in difficulties for the rest of your life. There is something better. There is something more. uNkulunkulu akakwenzele yona. Ngicela namhlanje ungalahli ithemba, ungayitsheli ukuthi you are worthless. Ayikho into owenzela yona emhlabeni. Ngicela ukukukhumbuza khona okungcono wenzelwe khona. Khona okukhulu uNkulunkulu akakwenzele khona. Khona iminyanga engcono uNkulunkulu akakubengele yona. So you need to understand that what you are going through at the moment, it's not your final destination. You were not made to remain where you are. Kodwa kunendawo engcono uNkulunkulu afuna ukubeka yona. Baningi abantu eBhayibhelini who went through difficulties but babe abaphelanga khona osizini abadlula kulona. At some time Joseph found himself in a pit. Wayithole dayiswa bafowabo, wayithole lahla bafowabo, but he was not destined for the pit. Simona ngelinye ilanga efakwa in the prison, but he was not destined for the prison. Kodwa ekugcineni we see Joseph in the palace. That where he was destined to be. Now you are not destined for that pit. You are not destined for that prison, but you are destined for the palace. Yes, you might be going through the pit at the moment, but that's not your final destination. You might be in prison right now, but that's not your final destination. Your final destination is the palace. Ila khona uNkulunkulu afuna ukubeka khona. Ngakho rise up this morning, dress up and show up, because something bigger is coming, something better is coming. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.